Sean, you weren't on Tuesday, I don't think. I wanted to pay you a big compliment. I'm going to pay you a big compliment right now, dude. You sent me a copy of your power email. Man, the thing was sick. It was clean. You put a lot of work into it. And then something else, your customer's not going to know this. This could be privately between you and I. What I saw when I saw that power email was I saw something that was curated and laser focused on that individual client, yet something that's pretty well along the road of being templatized to where you could go in and just change the specifics. I think you are really, really far along with an excellent power email, Sean. And if you haven't received a compliment on it yet from a client, get ready, because they're going to go, holy cow. Yeah, this actually sums up the situation perfectly. It's amazing. Nobody in sales does this unless it's us, right? Current situation, capabilities needed, next steps. And you and yours summed up that person, their current situation, the capabilities they need in their equipment. You gave them you made it so easy for them to do business with you. And I just wanted to commend you on really refining that email and getting something awesome together.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.